Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to customize the Steam skin color or theme in the Steam application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Steam tab up at the top left, and then select Settings. Select Interface on the left side, and then on the right side where it says select the skin you wish Steam to use, click on the drop down here. At this point, it would show any items that were in the skins save folder in Steam. If you had any installed, you would just click the drop down here, and then you would select whichever skin you wanted to change it to. And then you would select OK, and then you would have to relaunch Steam for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.